What's up, Future Sea Kings? I'm Morley Boyd. I play football and run track here at PV. Despite this prestigious institution having elite academics, we are also dominant in athletics, and we know you'll find your own home here.
Give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I could taste is this.
All these successes would not have come about without the determination of our athletic director, Brian Shapiro.
So we have 27 varsity sports programs. We had teams like cross country finish 4th and 6th in the state, and those were the minor achievers. We had 3 programs win their first state championships ever. Our football team, our girls volleyball team, and our girls tennis team.
Earning all these accolades takes more than just playing for the trophies and rings. At PV, it's about playing for and connecting with the people around you.
The program here at PV is very welcoming. We had a bunch of new freshmen this year who were new to the sport and just fell in love with the sport and team quickly.
I honestly loved coming in, and we'd always have fun music going on, we'd run fun drills.
Like, we're all super close. All my best friends are from football, so.
I think everyone is so positive, and it creates a really good environment to learn and grow as an athlete.
Unlike other sports, lax is actually a walk-on sport, which means there's not really a tryout. Everyone that wants to play lacrosse can just be on the team.
We welcome all new girls who are interested to try out, and it's just such a fun community to be a part of.
You'll find like a whole bunch of different friends you never thought you'd find on lax, and it's awesome if you want to try out a sport and you're a little afraid to.
So maybe you're not scoring the winning goal, but maybe you're a part of one of the loudest student sections of all time. Well, programs like ASB and Red Tide are just that.
'Cause when I am not, then I'm gonna stop pinning them, and I am not hip-hop, and I'm just not Eminem.
So we're a group of seniors selected by the previous Red Tide captains and the school administration, and our main goal is to spread spirit to our sports all across campus.
If you need somebody to pick you up, we got you. We're the hype men and hype women of PV High.
ASB stands for the Associated Student Body, and we are a class of approximately 50 kids chosen from all 4 grade levels.
Throughout our school year, we have tons of different rallies to support all of our programs and our sports. We have 3 main rallies every year, which are called our class comps, where we bring all 4 classes down to the gym and compete in different games, which get you points and add up to our in and out trek at the end of the year.
Along with ASB and Red Tide, Palos Verdes also puts together an annual lip dub.
I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. Your stare was holding ripped jeans.
We have all of our signature programs, all of our athletics, all of our clubs, and every single student is out there lining the lift up route and showing off all of what PV High is on the sidelines. And it's one of our favorite days to really come together as a Sea King family and celebrate who we are.
Whether you're an aspiring athlete and want to better yourself, or you just want to come out and support your school, Palos Verdes is the place for you. For Live from 205, I'm Morley Boyd.